Welcome to a discussion around general concepts used in Legoz. Today we will cover tagging of data. In this video, we will discuss tagging of attributes and entities used in data objects in Legoz. Tags are pivotal tools in the information systems arena, bridging the gap between raw data and meaningful insights. Data tagging emerges as a catalyst in Legoz, enriching the user experience by augmenting the searchability, comprehensibility, and utility of data. Let's examine the steps of the process. Firstly, identification of data. The process of data tagging begins with the meticulous identification of the data that has been earmarked for tagging. This foundational step is crucial, as it lays the groundwork for the subsequent tagging exercise. Next comes the selection of tags. Rather than being chosen arbitrarily, tags are precisely curated and tailored to express the essence of the data to which they are assigned. They go beyond being mere keywords, encapsulating concepts, categories, and attributes that are pertinent to the dataset. Following the selection, tags can be assigned. When the tags are ready, they are seamlessly integrated into the Legoz ecosystem. Utilizing the tag option in the object builder, tags are affixed to data object attributes and prefixed with a hash to enhance their searchability. Once tags have been assigned, their storage becomes paramount. Tags rest alongside data, fostering a symbiotic relationship that enables effortless retrieval and filtering. This symbiosis ensures that data remains organized and accessible, thereby enriching user interactions. The next stage in the tagging process is search and retrieval. Equipped with an array of tags, users can navigate the Legoz landscape with ease. Advanced search criteria allow for precision and efficiency, further streamlining the retrieval of information. Data tagging is an evolutionary process rather than a static endeavor, and this brings us to the final step: maintenance and updates. As data proliferates and evolves, tags must evolve in tandem to ensure that the tagging system remains relevant and useful. The integrity and efficacy of the tagging system is preserved by conducting vigilant maintenance and judicious updates. Let's look at how to create and assign tags in Legoz. Firstly, modify the relevant object. Select the Tags Function button from the Canvas ribbon. The Tags modal will open. The available tags will be listed in the right-hand side of the modal. To create a new tag for the album ID field, first select the attribute, then click inside the Create New Tag field. Enter the text for the required tag. Select the plus icon to add the tag to the attribute, and then save the record. The tag will be assigned to the attribute on the object, and will also be listed under Available Tags for use on other objects. Note that the track ID attribute is also tagged on this object. To add an existing tag to an attribute, select the relevant attribute first, and then select the arrow next to the tag you wish to use. This will move it to the assigned tags list for the object. Select Save. Once assigned, tags can be used as part of the advanced search functionality to locate any objects that carry the tag value. From the Data Object module, selecting the Advanced Search function will open the Advanced Search modal. The Tags column can be used to filter for any objects carrying the tag that you specify. The tag value should be prefixed by a hash. The grid will be filtered to display any objects or entities that are tagged with that value. In summary, data tagging is key in unlocking the latent potential of data in Legoz. It epitomizes the synergy between technology and human ingenuity, empowering users to navigate the complexity of data with confidence and understanding. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.